Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix black screen problem in Resident Evil 2. You can see when I launch the game, it will be showing me black screen. Now let's look at how to fix this issue. Now you have to plug in PS3 controller and then try to launch the game. This trick worked for me. I'm sure this trick will work for you, so now you can try this out. Thanks for watching. If you are thinking this video will be helpful for you, please hit the like button, so don't forget to subscribe us and tell us your opinion in the comment section below. It will be very useful for me. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a nice day.